Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trello, manage boards and tasks step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Trello.com on your computer or laptop. If you are on a phone or tablet, install the Trello app from the App Store or Google Play first. On the Trello homepage, click the Login button at the top right. Type the email address you used to create your Trello account. Click Continue to move to the next screen. Enter your password carefully and check for typing mistakes. Click Login to access your Trello workspace. If you use Google, Microsoft, or Apple to sign in, choose that option and complete the quick authorization step. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the email reset instructions. After logging in, look at the home page to find your workspaces and recent boards. Click a workspace name to view all boards inside that workspace. Click a board title to open it and see your lists and cards. To create a new board, click Create and then choose Board. Type a clear board name, select the workspace, and choose Visibility if needed. Click Create to open your new board immediately. To add a list, click Add another list. Type the list name and press Enter. Use lists to organize stages like To Do, Doing, and Done. To add a task, click Add a card under the correct list and type the task title. Press Enter to create the card, then click the card to open details. Add a description so the task is easy to understand for you or your team. Set a due date by choosing Dates and selecting the deadline on the calendar. Assign people by clicking Members and selecting the right teammate or yourself. Add a checklist by clicking Checklist and listing the small steps of the task. Attach files by clicking Attachment and choosing a file or linking from cloud storage. Move tasks by dragging cards between lists to reflect progress. Open the board menu to change background. Enable Power UPS and manage board settings. Use the search bar to quickly find cards by keyword, label, or member name. Log out safely by clicking your profile icon and selecting Log Out, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.